Jason's trying to get in on the action. What? Don't be fussy.
No, leave the
Find a way. Find a way.
Don't hurt him. Don't hurt him.
He's just checking his teeth out,
Yeah.
that's all.
He'll get like,
There you
oh,
go.
he's like, like into your eye, or he'll like grab your mouth, and, like pull
Yeah,
your
he grabs
mouth.
our lip. He'll put
Yeah.
his hand in and...
And it hurts, like it hurts.
I know, it
I'm,
hurts.
Like, real nervous
Finish
about
the
it
bottle?
around other kids if he hurts them.
Finish bottle? Here you go. Finish bottle. Whoops. Here you go. Here, finish your bottle. There you go, baby. There you go.
Look at these guys with their
My
food.
God. Look at the chin. The double chin.
Look at this picture. This is so funny. Look at him with the chin. Look at, okay, like his face
Oh
is all
my
chubby.
God.
Look at the double chin. It's so
That's
funny.
funny. Austin has
You
like a
the
triple
camera?
chin.
And then Landon's all like, brr. He's like, oh, cheeks.
Your chin's gonna get worse if you keep eating.
Look.
Look, Landon's holding it. He's like, these are mine.
He's like, wait.